Hi everyone! Welcome po sa video natin ngayon. Ako po ulit si Forex Coach Jonathan Lu and it's very nice to see everyone. So, ang pag-usapan natin ngayon ay pending orders, no? Kasi ang daming nagtatanong, ang daming nagbe-message. Saan ko ba gagamitin yung buy stop, sell stop, no? Buy limit, sell limit, no? Pero ang gulo, no? Para saan ba yung mga yan? No? Kaya bakit hindi natitrigger yung trade ko? No? So, I'm gonna show you a quick guide kung paano natin gagamitin yung mga pending orders na yan. Alright, so let's open our MT5 platform. Ayan. Okay, so makikita nyo po that whenever you want to open a trade, no, kanwari dito tayo sa new order, laging meron kayong makikita ang options dito, no? Yung type of trade that you want to do. You have market execution at saka meron kayong pending order. Market execution, ibig sabihin, bibili kayo or magbebenta kayo on the spot. So, for example, kung Euro AUD ba yung tinitignan nyo ngayon, so if you wanna buy right now, no, or sell right now sa market, then you can instantly execute your trade, no? So, kaya ang tawag dyan, market execution. So, kung anong volume man nilagay mo dyan, automatically, it will be your trade will be open, no, kung bukas yung market. Tapos, stop loss at take profit, pwede mo naman baguhin yan once the trade is open, but yung volume mo, hindi napapalitan yan, no? So, dito sa pending order natin ngayon, ito naman, if you want to buy or sell at a predetermined price. Ibig sabihin, let's say, kung tinitingnan natin yung ano ngayon, no, yung ating Euro AUD, dito siya banda ngayon, no, andyan yung ating current price, which is sitting around 1.5851, okay? And let's say that you want to buy lower, no? Gusto mong bumili pero sa lower price pa, or you want to buy at a higher price, pwede rin. Or if you want to sell, pwede kang mag-sell below the current price. Or if you want to sell above the current price, pwede rin. So, dun papasok yung ating mga pending orders. So, meron po kayong 4 na klaseng pending orders, no? Buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, at saka sell stop. Itong buy stop limit at saka sell stop limit, for now, wag niyo munang isipin yan and just focus on these 4 kasi madalas ito lang naman talaga yung gagamitin natin. So, focus lang tayo dyan sa 4 na yan. No? Buy limit, sell stop, sell limit, tsaka buy stop. No? Kasi yan lang madalas naman yung gagamitin natin, no? Lalo sa simula. So, pag magti-trade tayo ngayon, may isa tayong gagamitin dyan. Depende kung anong gusto mong gawin. No? Number 1, gusto mo bang mag-buy or mag-sell? Okay, so yun yung consider mo. Ano gagawin ko? Bibili ba ako or magbibenta? Number 2, saan mo gusto i-execute yung trade na yon? Is it above the current price or is it below the current price? No? So, ito, bibigyan ko kayo ng quick guide. Okay? So, sabihin natin, ito yung ating current price ngayon. Okay, so let's just color this one as black so that it's not confusing. Okay, and let's put something there. Lagyan natin ng text, no? Sabihin natin, this is current price, no? Current price. Okay. So, andito yung ating current price. And let's say that you want to buy below the current price. Sabihin natin, nakikita mo, na dito sa level na to, 1.5788, gusto mo dyan bumili, no? Kasi sa tingin mo, babagsak ng konti yung price, tapos saka siya kaakyat, no? That is your projection. So, with that one, kung gusto mong bumili dyan, what you need to do is to place a buy limit order, no? Ang ginagawa niyan is that it lets you buy below current price or CP, ha? CP na lang para hindi magulo. Okay? So, buy limit ang gagawin natin. If you want to buy below the current price, we use buy limit. Okay? What if gusto mo naman ay gusto mo bumili dito sa taas? So, what if you want to buy at a higher price? Hindi kasi sigurado kung tutuloy siya pataas ngayon. You want it to reach a certain level first before it goes further upward. Sabihin natin, nag-aabang ka ng breakout or something, no? Whatever strategy you have in mind, as long as you want to buy above the current price, then what you have to use is buy stop. Buy stop yan pag ganyan. Okay, so that's buy above the current price. Okay? Tandaan nyo yan, ha? If you want to buy above the current price, that is buy stop. If you want to buy below the current price, that is buy limit, no? On the other hand, sabihin natin that gusto mo naman sell yung trade natin. So, let's, mark some stuff again. So, sabihin natin yung current price, this is the CAD JPY. Ang current price ay 90.19. So, isulat ulit natin dito. This is our current price. Okay? So, yan ang ating current price. Tapos, sabihin natin gusto natin magbenta dito sa taas. No? Sabihin natin, uy, merong magandang resistance dito sa area na to. I want the market to go up here first before it goes down. No? Bago tayo mag-sell. So, if I want to sell at 90.90, okay, then, dapat ang execute natin na trade dyan ay sell limit. Okay? So, that will enable you to sell above current price. Yan. Okay. So, sell above the current price. That is sell limit. And again, if you want to sell below the current price, no? So, makikita nyo dito, kanwari, uy, parang ito yung support, no? Kapag binasag yung support, saan na ako papasok? Magsisell na ako dyan. So, if you want to sell below the current price, this will now be sell stop. And that will enable you to sell below the current price. Okay? So, tandaan natin, if you want to buy above the current price, so tingnan nyo muna kung saan yung current price, tapos i-decide nyo, do you want to buy or sell? Okay? So, if you want to buy, that is buy stop, no? Kung above tayo ng current price. Kung gusto mo mag-sell sa baba, then, kung gusto mo mag-buy sa baba, then that is buy limit, no? Buy below the current price. Now, if you want to sell, and then gusto mo mag-sell above the current price, then that would be, sell limit. If you want to sell below the current price, then that would be sell stop. Alright? So, hopefully, yun po, mawala na yung confusion nyo. And don't worry, in case na naglagay kayo ng pending order, you can always modify it and delete it at no cost since hindi pa naman na-execute yung trade. But once the trade is entered, ibig sabihin, the price reaches yung level na nilagyan mo ng trade, tas na-enter na yung trade, then, ang ma-edit mo na lang doon, stop loss at take profit. So, kung anong volume yung naka-trade mo doon, pasok na yun. Or you can close it manually if you like. Okay? Alright, so, yun po ang ating mga pending orders. So, sana po medyo nakatulong sa atin. Alright, so, anyway, thank you everyone. Like and subscribe po sa ating video ngayon, no? Happy na ako doon so that we can make more of this. Kung may mga questions kayo, just ask para ma-address ko din po kayo. And I hope to see you guys sa ating Discord group kasi doon po yung ating, kumbaga parang group chat sa PAFTI, mas mabilis ang communication natin. We normally give trade ideas, market updates para kumbaga makatulong na sabay-sabay tayong kumikita sa market. And yung full courses din po natin ay nandoon for free. So, if you want to join our Discord group, nasa baba naman po yung description. Alright, so anyway, thank you guys and I will see you guys on our next video.